Welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're back working on the Grand Caravan. This is the Mark 5, also applies to the Chrysler Town & Country. In this video we're going to be showing you how to remove your power tail lift switch, which is incorporated into this little black panel right here. So before we do any work on this, as per the Dodge and Chrysler workshop manuals, what you should do is you should disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. Leave the positive connected so that you'll maintain all of the vehicle settings, but just remove the negative cable. So it's only actually the negative terminal that we need to remove. The positive you can leave attached. So just tuck that safely out the way, make sure it's not going to come back up and accidentally touch the terminal. So to remove this panel, including the switch, there's some clips that hold this in. They can be a little bit tricky to get at. Ideally you want to use a proper plastic trim tool like this one. You can pick a set of these up. They're very, very inexpensive. You can buy them on Amazon for just a few dollars. And you'll use these all throughout your car, so it's well worth investing in a set of these if you don't have it already. You can do it with a metal screwdriver, but of course, because a metal screwdriver is much harder than the plastic, there's a chance that you might damage the plastic. So if you have a trim tool, this is a much better way of doing it. We will add some Amazon links into the video description below, so if you're interested in picking up a cheap set of these, they're well worth having. Please be sure to use our links. So the best place to get these started is this little edge just here. If you kind of flex it forward a little bit, what we want to do is get your trim tool. You're not trying to get it right down the back, you're trying to get it between essentially two pieces of plastic. Just there. And then if you pry it open a little bit, it'll start to come. And just work your way around. So you've now detached down here. Just going to continue to work my way around the edge. Just lift it carefully forward because we do have a cable attached to the back of the switch just here. And then to disconnect our electrical connector, I've got this little security tab, little push tab here. Just want to push that down, give the connector a bit of a wobble, and that will come out. And so that's that panel removed. And then if we need to replace the actual switch, what we do is we flip this over. There's a couple of security tabs on both sides of it. Like a little plate with two security tabs in it. Just lift that forward a little bit, give it a bit of a wobble, and do that on both sides. You should be able to get this free. It can be a little bit tricky. So you just attach it on both sides with your trim tool. You need to press it quite firmly, and you actually need to lift it a little bit higher than you think. And just push it backwards, and that's the switch there. So obviously you can get a new switch, pop that back in, and then put that back together. So there we go, that is how you replace your power liftgate switch. If this video has been helpful, can you take 1 second out of your busy schedule just to be sure to hit that like button for us before you leave us? It really does help us out. Likewise, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We've got loads more great content for these cars just waiting for you to check out. We appreciate it. See you on the next video.